Hey guys, it's Julia Lee. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a DIY nail polish and lip gloss kit. I'm super excited to try this out. The awesome thing about the nail polish is that it's 5 free. So that means it's free of 5 toxins that are harmful to the environment. And the awesome thing about the lip gloss is that it has these really cool flavors like vanilla, cinnamon, and anise. So let's get started. The company that I got these DIY kits from is called Mixify. This is the Mixify lip gloss kit, so let's open it up and see what's inside. The kit comes with 5 lip gloss cases, so that means that you can make 2 for yourself and a few for some friends. How awesome is that? Then it looks like there's some scents and some colors. The scents are vanilla, coconut, citrus, honey, and anise. Ooh, I think I'm gonna mix vanilla and coconut. There's also colors, so there's brownish, purplish, reddish, scarlet, and pinkish. I don't know what kind of ish I'm feeling yet. Okay, let's make some lip gloss. My first gloss is gonna be a pinkish and brownish, and my flavor is going to be vanilla and coconut. I'm gonna put in 3 drops at a time and see what happens. It looks like it's coming out a little more reddish than I expected, but we're only up to 9 drops, so let's just keep on putting more in and see how it turns out. I just finished making my first tube of gloss, and now I'm gonna try it on. Let's try on the lip gloss. This lip gloss is awesome because it's really pigmented, but you can tell it's not gonna dry out your lips. It's definitely hydrating because it has an oil base and it's going on super smooth. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this color, but I also love variations. So my next bottle, I want to make a more girly pink color. I just finished my second gloss in the pink, so let's try it on. And I made this in an anise to go a little bit different from the vanilla coconut. This lip gloss was awesome. I love how it's tinted but not too matte, and I love the different scents that I can make with them. My lips feel super hydrated and they look like they have an awesome shade on them. They feel amazing. You guys should definitely check out these Mixify products. They are awesome. I'm gonna come up with some more color combos and put them on my blog post. Be sure to check it out, julialee.com. The link is below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can press the bell button to get notifications on when my next video will be. If you like what you see, be sure to press the thumbs up sign. I'll see you guys soon.